Hello everyone. I'm Shahadat Hussain, Senior Lecturer, Department of Computer Science and Engineering, Daffodil International University. I had completed my BSc and MSc in Computer Science and Engineering from American International University, Bangladesh. I have 5 years of teaching experience in three different private universities in Bangladesh. I also have 1.5 years of experience as a software engineer in two different software companies. I have the certification from Google as a data analytics. I have completed 8 different courses from Coursera on data analysis. Besides my academic qualification, I have 17 conference papers and 2 journal papers published in different publishers in different journals and conferences. Data analysis is of paramount importance in various fields and industry due to its ability to extract valuable insights and drive informed decision making. So, here are some key reasons of highlighting the importance of data analysis. So, first one is informed decision making. So, by analyzing the data, we can have some informations, and based on that information, we can have easy to make the decision. So rather than having assumptions, we have the solid evidence, and based on that evidence we have solid decision. Second one is identifying the opportunities. So if the data is meaningless, then we should not treat them as meaningless. That means we have to analyze those meaningless raw data to have the better or fruitful insights. So every time we want to identify the opportunities from those raw materials or raw data sets. It is mitigation. For risk mitigations, data analysis is important, is obvious, because if we want to have some informed or solid decision making strategies, we can mitigate the risks. Then fourth one is customer understanding. So we can analyze the customer data, existing customer data or historical data, to know our customer well. And process improvement. So if the traditional process is ongoing, so if there is any discrepancy or if there is any flaws in our existing process, we can identify those processes by the data analysis, and then we can improve those processes. Now, let's talk about some opportunities we may have by learning this data analysis. Data analytics skills are in high demand across the industry, so learning data analytics can open doors to various job roles such as data analyst, business analyst, data scientist, market researcher, and much more. Professionals with data analytics skills often command higher salary due to their ability to extract valuable insights from data. The specialized nature of this skill set can lead to increased compensation. Data analytics often involves collaboration between the technical and non-technical teams. So learning data analytics allows you to bridge the gap between these disciplines and communicate effectively with the colleagues from diverse backgrounds. So this data analysis, that is a skill set that can often be applied remotely. So this flexibility can provide more opportunities for remote work and freelancing. In academic and research, if you are interested in academia or research, data analytics skills are essential for conducting studies, analyzing data, and drawing meaningful conclusions. In this course, we will go through some basic techniques and methods about data analysis. This course will give you some sort of confidence that you can do analysis. I am pleased to welcome you in this course, and which will serve you as your first step towards becoming a data analyst. So, enroll this course and have a good journey.